Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zara Rizky from Business Studies Education Program, the Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. I would like to thank you for coming to my presentation, especially to my Honorable Coordinator Business Studies Education Program, and also my first supervisor, Mrs. Sirena Parlina, MBA. My second supervisor, Mrs. Terlina Arvinta Manuarfa, SAMM. My examiners will examine my presentation today, such as Chief Examiners, Mr. Ekrandes Nudin Hidayat, MMMSI, Expert Examiners, Mrs. Dr. Koryohana, MM, the Secretary, Mrs. Nadia Fadila, SPD, MPD, and thank you very much for making the time to be my examiners today on August 11, 2020. Today, I will present a scripture entitled The Influence of Service Quality and Customer Satisfaction Toward Customer Loyalty at Hokben in Student of State University of Jakarta. In this presentation, I will present of two things. The first, research and discussion of that includes respondent profile, data profile, normality test, linearity test, equation of multiple linear regression, research hypothesis test, testing of person correlation analysis, and testing the coefficient of determination. And the second is a closing that includes conclusion, implication, and suggestion. The first, research and discussion, profile respondent. In this study, research involved 160 respondents. By age, the criteria of 18 to 21 years, as many as 87 respondents, and the criteria 22 to 25 years, as many as 93 respondents. The composition of gender of respondents who book Hokben are mostly is women with 85 respondents. The composition of study program of respondents who book Hokben are mostly is Faculty of Economics with 42 respondents. Data profile. Based of customer loyalty data have the low score is 20 and the higher scores is 40. Based of the service quality data have the low scores is 42 and the higher scores is 62. Based of customer satisfaction have the lower scores is 40 and the higher scores is 60. Normality test. Based on the result of test calculation Komolanov-Smirnov using SPSS software version 21, it can be concluded that all three variables are distribution normally. The significance of the three variables is more than 0 of the 5 zero commands. Linearity test. Based on the calculation of linearity test in linearity beside, it can be concluded that service quality to customer loyalty has a linear influence. Based on the calculation of linearity test in linearity beside, it can be concluded that customer satisfaction to customer loyalty has a linear influence. Equation of multiple linear regression. Based on data, the multiple linear regression can be obtained as follows: y-axis equal to 8.040 plus 0.230 as x1 plus 0.236 as x2. Research hypothesis test. The research of partial significance test table above obtained the t-account from service quality by 4,175 is greater than t-table equals 1.66. Can conclude that coefficient is significant, which meaning there is a positive influence service quality to customer loyalty. Meanwhile, the research of the partial significance test above obtained the t-account from customer satisfaction by 4,175 is greater than table equal 1.1.66 can conclude that coefficient is significant, with meaning there is positive influence customer satisfaction to customer loyalty. Testing the coefficient of determination. The R-square value was obtained 0.357. It explained that 3 is an influence service quality variables as x1, to the customer loyalty variable as y to 0.357 or 35.7%. As for the rest are influenced by other variables that is outside of service quality variable. Next, the R-square variable was obtained 0.255. It complains that there is an influence customer satisfaction variable Rx2 to the customer loyalty variable xy of 0.255 or 25.5%. As for the rest of the influence by other variables that is outside the customer satisfaction variables. The second, closing. Number 1, conclusion. There is a positive and significant effect of service quality on the customer loyalty of Hokben in the Universitas Negeri Jakarta, which is 35.7%, while the remaining 5.3% is influenced by other variables not examined. The positive and significant effect of customer satisfaction on the customer loyalty of Hokben in Universitas Negeri Jakarta, which is 25.5%, while the remaining 74.5% is influenced by other variable not examined. Implication. The things that need to be done by the Hokben is to pay more attention to low indicators and make improve that the future and must maintain the indicators that have a higher scores. Second, suggestion. Hokben carries out activity that can increase service quality and customer satisfaction carries out by the restaurant. So, the higher customer loyalty on Hokben. Also, their factors can improve customer loyalty. Thank you very much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.